Thakur from Team Akhil.
Celebration
at the
time
strawweight
for the
division.
last fighters. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the much excited fight. Calling the fighters. Here we go. Up next on stage, introducing out of the red corner, weighing 48 kilos, fighting from sparring division, atom weight division. Ladies and gentlemen, representing the fighter mom, Anne Mary.
So once again, Anne Mary fighting out of red corner against Sakshi Thakur from the blue corner.
Introducing your opponent, out of the blue corner, weighing 52.2 kilos, fighting from the Team Akhil strawweight division. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Predator, Sakshi Thakur.
अच्छा नहीं वो है
Obey my command at all times. Keep it clean as possible. Okay, touch gloves. Let's go.
So this was
Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Malayuddha full. Can you all make some noise?
it was Sakshi Thakur versus Anne Mary.
Give it up for the fighters.
Strawweight
We're gonna
division,
call them on
round
stage.
one.
Coming next.
So Sakshi Thakur putting the pressure forward, controlling the center of the cage. She's trying to put the pressure inside leg kick and she's opening the punches. An outside leg kick attempt from Anne Mary, but she's countering.
Sakshi being precise with her kicks and punches.
Beautiful,
that
beautiful
was a
combination of
beautiful
Sakshi.
1-2 from Sakshi.
I think Sakshi is working on straight punches. Let her work. A beautiful uncross again, working on.
And now both the fighters are swinging at each other.
Only they're brawling, but it's who gets out the move. Beautiful cross to the center from Sakshi. Anne Mary swinging on the fences. She's throwing the 3 and 4, but Sakshi is holding the ground. A beautiful outside leg kick. Control. Sakshi is going to recover the guard. Yes. Now Sakshi needs to get out from there. Like Sakshi is in a bad spot. She needs to get out from there. She can take the underhook from her right side and she needs to get up.
Anne Mary focusing on the body, throwing some punches.
Now tries to go, but
Sakshi
she exposed her
trying
back.
to
She makes her very technical, make sure she should get her underhook and get up. That would be very efficient. Anne Marie is doing a great job by controlling the posture and she's able to control. Anne Marie is doing good work. She's controlling the top position. She's controlling the posture of Sakshi. She's constantly putting the weight on her. Sakshi is trying to get under hook and start taking guard, but Anne Marie is not allowing. She's constantly keeping the pressure on. The weight distribution with Sakshi is really good. Now Sakshi has recovered full guard, but Anne Marie is passing the guard. Sakshi has recovered the guard. Now Anne is trying to posture up.
Beautiful escape by
Beautiful
Sakshi, and she is
Anne is
back
pulling up again.
on her feet.
Both the fighters are looking slightly gassed out. So one more beautiful cross, but she's not sure. Beautiful left hook from Anne Marie.
Sakshi lands a clean jab.
Both the fighters showing heart here at the end of round one.
And going for the
Beautiful punches.
combinations.
As I told you all, when they appear for the fight, they go through 10 weeks of camping.
Hey,
They're
what
on
a
diets.
good round
And they
by
come
both the
back
fighters
here.
for the first
Please, let's
round.
make some noise for them. Make some noise!
Anne Marie got the ground control time. She ended up top and she started landing some strikes. When it comes to striking, I think Sakshi would have a slight edge over. She would have connected some straight punches. But when it comes to damage, I think Anne Marie has done the stuff.
And Anne Marie also had higher ground control time in the first round.
Fall. Now,
Here we go, round
Sakshi is trying to
number
take the center again. Anne is basically flat-footed here. Both the fighters almost flat-footed. The takedown at
Sakshi
Sakshi.
trying for a takedown.
Both the fighters are facing the carry control. Both the fighters are engaging.
The ref wants
Sakshi
Anne
attempted
of
for a takedown,
holding Sakshi's
but
hair.
Anne Marie is constantly putting the pressure. Anne Marie putting the pressure.
Both the fighters are
Sakshi
brawling at
is
each
almost
other.
getting tired. Sakshi needs to keep her hands up instead of brawling. Anne Marie is constantly putting the pressure on her hand.
What a performance
Beautiful
from both
fight
these
from both the
fighters.
women.
They are giving it their all.
I'm like both the fighters are actually giving the show here. They're not stopping down. These women are
Anne
not
Marie
stopping
tries
anywhere.
a
They're both
takedown,
exchanging the same
but
way.
no, she's going
And
for a
Anne
clinch.
Marie is trying to go for a takedown. A beautiful reversal by Sakshi. Straight to mount. Anne Marie just pulled Sakshi on her top. And now Sakshi is on top, controlling bat, landing punches. A beautiful control by Sakshi here. Now Anne Marie is giving the
And
back.
she has her back. Sakshi has Anne's back. I think she's going to go for RNC, and no.
Beautiful reversal by Sakshi again. Almost secured the back, but Anne Marie countered, but Sakshi made sure she is on top. Securing the scarf hold position, constantly throwing the punches. And now Sakshi has a 12 point, now taking the back again.
And
Yet
she
she's
takes the
not
back
seeking her
again.
hooks.
She is
I
attempting
think
the
she should sink her hooks.
RNC
Sakshi should sink her hooks.
once again.
Sit her butt down. Both the fighters are either now. Anne Marie is going for a takedown, but Sakshi has successfully defended it. Now both the fighters are tired, but intended to throw the punches. Both the fighters are leaving it all either. Both the fighters keeping their hands down.
Look at Sakshi, man.
Sakshi-
She's enjoying it. She
Sakshi
has
is
a wide
breathing
smile
in.
on her face.
Sakshi is a beast. She's smiling and throwing punch. But now Anne Marie's come up again, put her pace up. She's get up and striking. Both the fighters are giving excellent show here. May it not be technical, but the heart of the fighters. They want to leave it all here. They're going for it. A beautiful left hook attempted by Anne Marie. And Sakshi stood there and took it. On the left hook shot, is standing straight in the face and taking it and throwing her own jabs. These guys, these women want it here. Both the fighters are going at it. Showing the heart here. Beautiful jab by Sakshi again. And was about to the call, but Sakshi throwing a kick in between. I think they should stick to the punches. What a round, guys. Let's pitch up and go down. Pitch up.
What a privilege we have. We got some professional commentators with us this evening. Let's make some noise for them. They represent MFN. We got a lot of professionals in the arena today. Malayuddha is one place you get to see a lot of professional fighters. Okay, now this is the moment. What you're going to do here is take some pictures with them. Post it on the Facebook, Instagram, and do tag us. This is Malayuddha 4 for us. Thank you so much for being part of it.
So round 3 about to start. Final round. Let's see who's gonna leave everything here. Anne Marie from red corner, Sakshi Thakur from blue corner. Both are ready to go. And Sakshi Thakur taking the center of cage again. Working off a jab. And retaliating. Both the fighters are going the punches. They're sparring. They're brawling. They're not giving up. They're brawling.
Wait, what was that?
Both the fighters going the fences. I'm like,
What did she say?
a beautiful takedown by Sakshi. Sakshi is kind of aggressive down here. Now control the top.
Sakshi has her back, but refuses to go for an RNC.
Sakshi just there. She's like,
Stands
let's strike. Both the fighters are with intention. Beautiful jab by Sakshi, but Anne Marie still standing there going for a takedown, but Sakshi defended it. Anne Marie is going for takedown again. A beautiful defense from Sakshi again. Both the fighters going for it. Beautiful jab from Anne Marie. And Sakshi gave back one of her own. Beautiful cross by Sakshi again. Both the fighters are going for it. They are going for it. Both the fighters, a knee, a kick attempt. And Sakshi is going for it. Both the fighters giving it here.
There is definitely an exchange of dialogue between these two fighters. Both of them are enjoying the fight. Both of them are
And a
tired.
takedown by Anne
And
Marie.
both of them are passionate
And
about it.
Sakshi defending it. What a fight. I'm like, keep the skills apart, keep the techniques apart. But it's a pure entertainment, guys. Pure entertainment. You know, they're giving a show here. Right? The hearts they're showing here. Now Sakshi is trying to get control. She's trying to get over the top.
The last
She's
couple of
trying for the
seconds
twister, but there
fight.
is no twister there. I think she's trying for it, but there's nothing as such. I think she should go for the top. A beautiful fight. Keeping the skills apart. Oh, what a showmanship. But both of these female fighters. They left everything out here. No, I thought her she's suddenly. What a fight for 3 rounds. Let's see where the decision goes.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the winner. Your winner with the split decision, and the scores are here: 10, 9, 9, 10, 9, 10. And the winner with the split decision. Let's make some noise for the winner from blue corner, Sakshi Thakur.